Hello YouTube, MUC Religion here, and I'm back again in the video. So as you can see here, this is Felipe Anderson, and so the transfer window is going to start tomorrow, I think, the 2nd of January, and obviously there's going to be lots of transfer news regarding Manchester United, so let's get straight into the first one. So, Manchester United are close to sealing Felipe Anderson transfer. Manchester United are reportedly edging closer to sealing the £35 million transfer of Lazio forward Felipe Anderson this January. The Red Devils need more pace and attacking flair in the side, and Anderson has long been linked as a top target for the club. He's 22 years old, so he's obviously young. He's Brazilian, and he's shown plenty of promise with his displays in Serie A, and United officials hope to wrap up a deal by next week after holding talks in Rome. So apparently there were reports that Manchester United officials flew to Rome to discuss terms with Felipe Anderson and the club, and apparently a £35 million bid has been agreed, and he could be our first signing, and he could be the first signing in the January transfer window for any club. He could be a Manchester United player as early as next week. That's how quick things are moving. And I wouldn't be sad if we bought him. He's a really good player. I'd be really happy. He would add a pace on attacking, and he's a really good player. So yeah, Felipe Anderson to Manchester United. Apparently he's very close to being a done deal. So stay tuned, subscribe for more updates. I'll see you guys later.